Hey everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services with you, and today I want to give you some tips about the pros and cons when you're buying or having carpet in your home. Number one of the pros, the benefits, is that carpet is warm. If you have especially a bathroom, you want to have carpet in there, you want to have an area rug, it helps to make the area warm. Number two, it's easy to install. When you're getting carpet, the installation can be done in one day. It's easy to carry in the rolls and have it installed. Number three, it hides the dirt. It works as a filter. All that dust that you have in your house gets collected in those fibers and it keeps all that dirt in there, but you have to vacuum very often to get it out. Number four, is inexpensive compared to some other flooring. It could be a little cheaper, but you may end up spending quite some money if you go with the high grade on the carpet. Number five is quiet. It absorbs a lot of the echo in the rooms. When you're walking on it, it absorbs all those of that noise from the steps. It keeps that noise from going out. Number six, it feels nice to the touch. When you're walking on it, it feels soft. That's very nice to have it. The cons, number one is the maintenance. It costs money. You have to spend money to have it professionally clean because like I say, it works as a filter, but if you don't get it clean, you're gonna have allergies and you're gonna have some other issues. Number two is wear. It shows a lot of wear, especially in high traffic areas, hallway, steps. You will notice that wear much sooner than if you have wood floors, tile, things like that. Number three is that it won't last as long as some other flooring. Nowadays, we got some high grade carpet that it lasts many years. We have seen carpet that is 20 years old, but we have seen tile that is 100 years old. It doesn't last as long as some other flooring, but those are the pros and cons about carpeting from our side, from the people that cleans floors. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you have any question, please leave a comment on this video. Don't forget that if you need any help, give us a call with cleaning. Our phone number is 502-365-6779. Thank you.